Hey guys, so today on what I got on Amazon, let's see, a couple packages came in today, and I just figured I'd open them up real quick. So I got these bed sheets. Bought 2 of them. Need some more. Let's see. So, just trying to put this up. These boxes are always so hard to open. Like, I don't know if it's just me or what, but I always struggle to get them open. I always put so much. Like, why so many? In this box that I bought is I bought this huge photo album. I'm gonna print some pictures off because I have so many, and I think it said like it holds like 1,000 of them. So there's that. This next box. It's in here. Everything over. So this is little makeup organizer, 2 of them, and then we have a box inside of a box. Like, is that necessary? So, oh, okay. I know what this is. These are some drawer organizers. Doesn't hurt to be more organized. There's so many of them too. Like, a bit obsessive. Oh man, they're like stacked. But, and that's it guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, I will see